English collocations. Learn English vocabulary. Collocations. What are they and how to use them? A collocation is a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase, in a way that sounds correct to people who have spoken the language all their lives, but might not be expected from the meaning. In the phrase a hard frost, hard is a collocation of frost, and strong would not sound natural. Collocations. What are they and how to use them? Collocation. The combination of words formed when two or more words are often used together in a way that sounds correct. The phrase a hard frost is a collocation. The phrase a strong frost is incorrect or untypical collocations. Collocations. What are they and how to use them? Collocation, the regular use of some words and phrases with others, especially in a way that is difficult to guess. Collocation refers to how words go together or form fixed relationships. Bright idea or talk freely are collocations. Remember, collocations are basically words that tend to go together. For some reason, in English, we say commit a crime, not do a crime or enact a crime. That is just how the English language works. Cancer research. Community service. Computer game. Death penalty. Remember. Typical collocations. Heavy rain. High temperature. Scenic view. Have an experience. Incorrect collocations. Thick rain. Tall temperature. Scenic picture. Do an experience. Make an experience. Why should we learn collocations? Learning collocations will help you to increase your range of English vocabulary. For example, you'll find it easier to avoid words like very or nice or beautiful or get by choosing a word that fits the context better and has a more precise meaning. This is particularly useful if you are taking an exam in English and want to make a good impression on the listeners. Like hamburgers. Like baseball. Like playing soccer. Have a party. Have fun. Have a breakfast. Take off shoes. Take serious. Take something down. Do homework. Do exercise. Do your hair. Make a choice. Make an excuse. Make friends. Go fishing. Go to school. Go swimming. Get a grade. Get a degree. Get married. Call in sick. Call out names. Call in a favor. Social change. Social issue. Social media. Collocations. Animal charity. Beach cleanup. Different taste. Collocations. Cancer research. Community service. Computer game. Collocations. Death penalty. Endangered species. English teacher. Collocations. Free debate. Homeless person. Informed decision. Collocations. Political engagement. Legal age. Lifelong habit. Collocations. Serious crime. Sponsored walk. Union member. Collocations. Volunteer project. Voting rights. Worthy cause. Thank you. Thanks for watching.